In this video, I'm going to show you how to view someone's TikTok profiles without them knowing. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up TikTok application and then right here at the bottom right, tap Add Profile icon. Now here you can tap on that eye icon to see who viewed your profile for the last 7 days, and there you can tap on that gear icon to bring up that feature. It calls Profile View History. Now it's enabled, and all you have to do is just hit on that switcher to disable that feature. If this feature is disabled, you wouldn't be able to see who visited your profile, but the other people wouldn't be able to see if you visited their profiles as well. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.